Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is week 39 and today BTHQ is thriving, it's buzzing, I'm loving it. There are people in the building, including this one. Charlotte's back, we are ginger jeansing, which means basically for the next 3 days I've got to stand in this corner and not move. But it's fine. Let me take you round. Everybody is busy tracing off their patterns at the moment. Give us a wave, Katie. Give us a wave, Jules. Yay. Tracing off their patterns in Unit 1 and in Unit 2. They're busy. Give us a wave, everyone. Yay. Tracing off their patterns. Charlotte's going to get her crotch chair. You could do it outside, actually. It might be a bit...
It's so windy and cold.
Oh, okay. She's going to get her crotch chair. It's time for crotch examination. Are you ready for a crotch examination, Joyce?
Of course I am, yeah.
She's quite brutal with her crotch examinations.
Right. So if you're giving birth, you don't really mind, do you? Yeah, I promise not to stick my hand up it. That isn't part of...
On the floor of the jungle, we'll find lurking a Charlotte. Do it. Oh, they're all at it. Harmonising. Charlotte is in her element. She's sitting outside. She's found an 80s knitting pattern book and she's discovered a tampon and a vagina cardigan and jumper.
It's very stylish. Hang on, where is it? There's the tampon cardigan. Complete with strings.
We'll pick that up. And it's got vaginas.
It's got vaginas on it, yeah. And there's also the entirely vagina jumper.
Fabulous. Mum's come to say hello. There's no room at the inn today, so we're having to sit outside. Yes. And I should have probably said hello, good morning, it's Saturday, but I didn't. So we are busy working on day 2 of our Ginger Jean workshop and everyone is furiously inside cutting out their proper pair. It's time for the great reveal. We love this bit.
It suddenly becomes a fly. It's suddenly a fly, whereas before it was a sort of weird origami. It makes no sense situation.
So satisfying.
What's in there? And does it work? Does it work? Oh! Yay! It works! It's a miracle! It's like Christmas. It is like Christmas. It's an opening a present, isn't it? No, it's like Christmas after you've eaten. I'm going to need more than that. That should include, you know, waist extender. Gusset.
So it's the end of day 2 and as you will have seen, everyone got their flies done today and has made a start on their back yokes. So tomorrow morning when they come in, they'll be putting their legs together and then it will be waistband time. So they're doing really well. I'm actually going to have most of tomorrow off. Charlotte has the key to let herself in tomorrow morning, but I will be back in here probably about 2:30, 3 o'clock, so I can pick up the camera once they get to that all important trying on stage, and we can get some pictures of the end of the course. So I'll say bye for now. See you again Sunday afternoon. Good afternoon, it is Sunday, it is 3:30 and I have just arrived back at BTHQ and jeans are almost finished. We've got buttonholes, we've got waistbands, we're doing belt loops, there's all sorts. It won't be long before things get riveting. Helen's almost finished. What are you up to? Belt looping?
Yeah.
Fabulous. Jessie is
Belt loops?
Jessie's belt looping, and Joyce has just buttonholed. Oh, deep breath. Katie is belt looping. Are you belt looping, Katie? Belt looping. And Julie is...
Finishing off my top stitch
Getting ready to buttonhole.
Oh, yes.
Yay! How exciting. And in other news, we've got a new kettle. This may not seem like exciting news to many, but we had to buy a new kettle because yesterday the electrics shorted out and it was the kettle that did it, which is really rubbish. But this old dear is 8 years old and has made an inordinate amount of tea, so I think we need to maybe have a minute's silence for the BTHQ kettle and thank it for all its hard work before we put it to its final resting place. Sometimes when things don't go quite to plan, you need to lay on the floor in a Ginger Jeans class. Did it work?
Yes.
Yay! See? If your zip won't undo or your button won't undo, the best thing to do, get on the floor! Well done, Jules.
We're getting back up.
Yay! Everybody's finished. Can I have a wiggle, please, girls? Give us a spin.
I refuse to wiggle.
You don't have to wiggle, Charlotte. Turny whirly. Oh, look at those butts. Look at that butt. Brilliant. Are you all happy?
Yes.
Do they all fit?
Oh yeah.
Yay! So another Ginger Jeans course is over and done with. Everyone has gone home. As you can see, we had 5 wonderful pairs of perfectly fitting pants. No disasters in sight, but that is not surprising because Charlotte is so blooming good at what she does. We do have availability in November on Charlotte's jeans making course, so if you do want to come and make a pair of perfectly fitting pants, you know what to do. Down below, find the link to our website and get yourself booked on. We would love to see you. And I will be back in again on Tuesday, I think, and then Wednesday as well. So I'll see you soon. Bye. Good afternoon, it is Tuesday. I am in prepping and preparing for next week's classes, but 3 little reprobates have snuck in to enjoy the sunshine even though it's not officially a day that we're open. Oh look who's hiding in the garden. It's Vivian.
We're enjoying the last of the summer sun.
Oh, don't say that.
It's October next week.
Shh. There's often sunshine in October. They're in lunch. Diane Carroll, give us a wave. Diane doesn't look impressed. What are you knitting?
Sockhead hat.
Oh, woolly hats.
Sockhead hat.
Oh, you're cursing us now, aren't you?
Well, I'm preparing.
Whatever.
Winter is coming, as Jon Snow used to say. Or whoever used to say.
Jon Snow. I'm feeling all virtuous and organised. One of the key things to keeping this place running and making everything tick like clockwork is making sure that I am prepared and planned in advance. So today was a day where I had no classes, there was going to be no pupils in, and I could really get sorted and organised. Mum had come in yesterday and cleaned down after Ginger Jeans, so all I had to do today was literally prep for the week ahead, and I've done it. Let me show you. It might not be very exciting to you, but I feel great. So this weekend I've got my mindful making retreat. I can't tell you too much about it because a lot of the projects are secret, but I've got all of the baskets ready with all of the equipment that I'm going to need to put out on the stations for that. I've got 3 get to know your sewing machine sessions over the next few days, 2 of whom are going to be making cushions with me. So I've cut those out and got the instruction sheets printed and ready. I've prepared all the little pieces of fabric that they're going to use and got the tools required ready, so they are good to go. So as soon as the ladies come in, I can take the bits that I need from the basket and they are ready. I've got 2 ladies coming in tomorrow to learn how to make face coverings. They're going to learn 2 different styles. So again, I've got their machine sorted, all of their tools are sterilised, and then I've got my little basket of goodies here. I've got my go-to patterns, some pattern paper so that they can trace off their own copies, and then I've got my little ear loops that I like to use when I make masks, and my elastic, and then some of the metal nose casings. So I've got all of those in a basket ready for them to come in. And then next door I've got Trudy coming in for 2 days, Wednesday and Friday. She's going to be making a shift dress. Printed off an instruction sheet for her for our shift dress in a day course, because that just gives her the step-by-step that she needs. She's got the pattern with her. Printed her off a crib sheet. These are really handy. I use these for all of my dressmaking classes, just so people can put their measurements, put their notes and things about what they're making. I've even got the coloured thread that I know she's going to need ready in a little pot. Obviously all of the tools have been sterilised, so is the machine, so I'm going to leave that covered. But it's all good to go, so she is ready to come in and crack on tomorrow.
Simon is doing his best to help his mum, and he's sewing her coat for her. Look, he's doing really well. Well done, Simon. You may be slow, but you're brilliant.
I'm going to say good morning and welcome back to BTHQ Banter, although apparently Elspeth's already BTHQ Bantered, but I've been a little bit busy today. It's 1:45 already, and this is the first time I've had a chance to pick up the camera. I can probably take this off actually now. It's a nightmare. We've got the lovely Jo and Joe in today. I did mention yesterday when I was prepping, they're busy learning how to make face coverings. They're going to be setting up a fantastic little business. I will link it down below. Is your website ready, girls?
Yeah. Yes.
I will link it in the description. What's it called?
jjcreativedesigns.co.uk.
jjcreativedesigns.co.uk. There we go. So they're learning to do face coverings today. And then Trudy is back in Unit 1. Say hello, Trudy.
Hello, hiya.
She is busy making a shift dress, and she's using my gorgeous Monstera leaf print viscose crepe that I bought the other week. I haven't even put that in the shop yet, so I'm really delighted to see somebody using it. Dawn's just been in and she bought some of our gorgeous pink viscose cotton in leopard print that I used to make my by hand London sheared dress the other day as well, so I'm looking forward to seeing what she makes with that. And as apparently you already know, which I didn't realise, Elspeth's here. Say hello, Elspeth.
Well, yes, you do know I'm here.
Elspeth is busy. I did start. I made a promise to everybody that I would sew on the buckle on my coat that I made 2 years ago and has been hanging here not being worn. I did start doing it, but I've been non-stop all morning. People coming in and out. Too many people, busy teaching, and it's just not getting done. So she's done one side. I will do it later, I promise. Yes. Thank you. So I'll come back to you later when everybody's finished.
And I've made a Moomin trifecta top with, bang in the middle of my tummy, my hero, Snufkin. So that's all right, isn't it?
And Trudy has finished her dress. How nice is that? Give us a twirl, Trudy. Do you love it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
I think it's brilliant. You've done such a good job.
Thank you.
And the great thing is, it's got just enough stretch in it that we didn't have to put a zip in it.
Yes.
Goes over your head. Awesome. Well done.
Go in my case to take away.
And just so you know, this is the New Look 6095. This is a pattern that I've been teaching now for about 4 or 5 years as my shift in a day class. It's absolutely fab. I love it. So if you want to come and make a shift in a day with me, then just give me a shout. Another week at BTHQ is over and done with, and I would imagine it's been quite a good week this week. I'm going to take this home and edit tomorrow, but there's been lots happening and that's really lovely. I've moved the furniture around again. Only a little bit though. I have pushed back one of my big cutting tables out of the way to create an area here. Just put the little table that I picked up the other day just in front of the sofa with a chair. I've got 2 lovely ladies coming in on Friday who are just going to come and spend the day together doing my online crochet course, but they're going to come and do it online, but they're going to do it here so they get it done, but also it means that I'm on hand if they get stuck. So they're going to sit here all day and crochet and drink tea, which is lovely, and actually the fact that that table's there is really good because it creates a secondary space for me to use for Saturday's retreat day. So it's actually worked out really well. Thank you very much as well. This table was donated to me the other day. Really useful. It's one of those super little dining tables, but that you can spin it around and open it up and it becomes a big dining table. But it's also small enough to tuck underneath this table here. and keep it tucked away, so I just pull it out when I need it, which is really handy. So yeah, I'm waffling. My phone's going mad. Ping, ping, ping. Sewing club sign-ups, all good. You have one more week. By the time you see next week's BTHQ Banter, it will be too late. Please do sign up to the sewing club. It is a wonderful online community and you're going to love it. Link down below. I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.